Yo, walk one in a half which you don't know. Shamar underscore last for the girl them food drink. As you can see, we in our trees today. Shit, the security I look on we now. So we get fucked now. But we're not business still because I half a tree, you see me? We're not business still. Yo, good afternoon.
Pull up in a beamer in a drop top, yeah. Days in my day with them. Yeah. Cool on my day when the black hot. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Yeah, them I go get it one time. Pass me the clock and let me set it one side. Big body be my better take your damn time. Yeah, I feel rich, collect every damn kind. Yeah, them I go see me sometimes. Yeah, them I go give me some vibes. Yeah, come here, let me shift it one side. Tip a Henny my tie, let me shift it one mountain. When me kick to the curve, flip the money, baby flip for me first. If it's to be said, yeah, then it will be heard. Lyrics with the nouns, lyrics with the verbs. Vice with the grip, where it split every girl. Listen keenly when I spit every verse. I flip the cash, then I flick with your girl. I flip the cash, then I flick with your girl. I'm fly like a bird, fresh from the nest. Holy potting.
Back it again. Yo, you don't know what I'm going to get with Lasco.
Them man, Lasco, you see me? No eating off the buff.
No eating off the buff. Yo, believe me, when I tell you about more than one time, we do back over that intro, yeah.
It's been 10 times already. 10.
Can't come like some under pray for Rob or what about, you know? Bad out here. Anyways, today we do a little survey. We ask around 3 easy questions. Although some people quite never answer and quite too intelligent, but you know what chefs about. We ask them why the sea blue, and when we ask them a running question. I'm not get into that one yet, and two, just watch it, you know about that one day. And then we ask them, you know, if the world end and they might want the lucky survival, what would be the first thing they would do? And you know, get some good answers. So you just know, yo, subscribe, like, share. I don't know we're out here.
That me I say one go.
Hold on there. Don't forget the cameraman doing it. Hold on there.
The video man, you forget the video man, I think, you know.
Yeah, man.
Then there's one and only Junior _9 _219.
Outside is a 4
AKA Savage Kid, you know?
Okay, yo, for the survey video, we have to tell them to say, yo, like everybody who said second place on the correct and everybody who said first place on the wrong, and have no damn sense, because they need checking from changing the answer from second place. Like seriously, if you're running a race and you pass the person in second place, what place you know you in second place, if you're in a first place, and if you chicken and we're going to change the answer. But yo, watch the video, like, share and subscribe and fuck up the like button.
Okay. Question. Why is the sea blue?
The reflection of the sky and the sea.
Repeat that?
The reflection of the sky and the sea.
Reflection of the sky and the sea?
Yeah, reflection of the sky in the sea.
Okay, that's the next question. If you're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place, what place are you in? First. So, oh, cool. If the world end today, what would be the first thing would you do?
The world already ends, so I do.
Yeah, but the world end, but what, if you have a chance to do something on the world, what would you do?
To be honest, I don't know because the work done, so
for me, I rob a bank, it would make sense. I rob a bank, I always want to do it, so.
So when the same, then I get to use the money here.
Yeah, but.
No, literally nothing. You don't actually get happy.
No, everybody on earth can't just get wiped out. So. Some people must survive. And if you're one of the lucky person, what would you want to do? You're gonna die miserable and old.
Yo. You can answer one question, please. One question. Hi. Goody. Two questions. No, the first question. Why the sea is blue?
Why the sea is blue?
Yeah.
Why the sea is blue?
Yes. Why the sea is blue? You don't know? Alright. So she don't.
So the answer?
Yeah.
What answer?
Reflect.
The sun made the sea blue?
No.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
The sun made the sea blue?
No. Just now you make me look like a handicapped reflection of the sky.
So when you said the sun, then when you said the sun?
Next question, alright? If you're in a race and you pass up the person in second place, which position are you in?
If you're in a race and pass the person in a second?
Yes.
And then in a first?
Alright, somebody with sense. Alright, you're good, man. You're good. Good to go. Good to go. Yes.
First one. Why is the sky blue? Why is the sky blue?
Because it reflects the ocean.
Repeat that?
It reflects the ocean, the sky.
She's intelligent dog. Okay. You're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place. What place are you in now?
Repeat that.
If you're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place, what place are you in now?
First place.
Okay, cool. Okay, if the world end now, what would be the first thing would you want to do? If the world end today, what would be the first thing you would do? Come on, you must have something you want from all along. And when the earth is going to end, you want it. What is that? That one dream that you always want. Nothing? Okay, just remember to subscribe to my YouTube account, Dk4dot, okay? Agree. Ready? Why is the sea blue? Why is the sea blue?
Because of the sky with the reflection of the sea.
Your answer? Yeah, stick with that? Yeah, stick with that? Okay. If you're running a race and you pass up a guy in first place, my fault, you're so fucked. If you're running a race and you pass up a guy in second place, what place are you in?
Second.
That you have to stick with?
Wait. What? Repeat it?
If you're running a race and you pass up a guy in second place, what place are you in?
If you're running a race.
And you pass up the guy in second place, what place are you in?
Boy, mathematics class.
Second.
You sure? Yeah, come on. You want me to repeat again? You want me to repeat again? No,
Second.
You sure
And
second?
pass up. You say.
You're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place. What place are you in?
Pass out the guy in second.
Pass up.
That means that somebody. Wait. That means that somebody.
Who passed me up first place?
Yeah, that.
You see, I run from it.
First.
Yeah, I'll get it.
You pass out first.
You
then
pass up.
Second place. Pass up.
Why
Just
kind
like
of?
that.
But more than one person.
Why?
First.
Okay, let's see. I run from it. How you feel now?
Don't.
But yo, anyway, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dk4dot, normal 4. DK, normal 4.
Subscribe to my Instagram account.
I'll follow you. I have around. Son, I don't know. Okay, we're done. Remember to subscribe, anyways. Like and
Remember,
share.
your notes.
Okay. Tell me why the sea blue. Why is the sea blue?
I don't know.
You mean you know why the sea blue?
But you go answer it. I don't know.
Why the sea blue?
I don't know.
Try. Let's try now. Pick some. Say some. Say some. Okay. 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 If you're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place, what place are you in now? If you're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place, what place are you in now?
Second.
You sure?
Positive.
You're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place. What place are you in now?
Second, coming up as the guy when I first place.
You're running a race and you pass up the guy. Pass up the guy in second place. What place are you in now?
Sure, I never feel stupid. That's so weird. I feel
Okay.
stupid right now.
I'm gonna tell you the answer to the two questions after. Okay, later one. Let the world end today. What would be the first thing would you do?
Well, if the world would end, we would have no one to look somebody eventually dead.
So you know, nothing that we will want to do for how long and the world and you get a chance to do it.
Well, I'd love to do acting.
What?
Acting.
Acting? So you want the acting when the world end?
Yes, so get
When the world
That's my passion.
Let me tell
Me
you.
too first question.
Okay.
I'm feeling really stupid right
Okay. The reason why the sea is blue because it reflects off the sky. And then if you're running a race, you pass up the guy in second place. You are in first place because you passed up the guy in second place. Okay. But yo, one of them.
can't believe my face. You don't try to put this up and whatever now, put this on my face.
Yo, I get some more people. I get some more people. Ready? Hush. All of them there. All of them there.
Ready? Alright, let's go. Zimmy. Last go in the building with Dk4 Empire. Yo. Manners, bro. No, it's a question we ask. It's a question we ask, bro. One simple question, bro.
You will see the man them.
One simple question, bro. One question. It's a simple question enough. We just ask why the sea is blue. That's all.
Why do what?
Sea is blue.
The sea is blue.
Yeah.
Yo, answer the man, brother.
The sea is what?
The color of the sky.
Alright. Okay,
No, one question I asked.
Easy. Yo, we now easy. One more. It's a simple, a 6 main, one simple one. If I run a race and you pass with the person in second place, which position are you?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? What do you mean you don't know? If I run a race and you pass with the person in second place, which position are you in?
Me pass the person in second place?
Yeah.
Second minute?
You sure you answer about that question then? Think about it, you know. If you pass the person in a second, or if you're in a second place, think. A first in a brother. Yo, a first in a bro. But thank you for your answer them still, my brother. Thank you.
I'm going to ask you a question. You asked me about 3 questions.
Can you say everything? Alright, you have to answer some question then? You can answer what type of questions? Just 2 normal questions. Alright, why is the sea blue?
Huh?
Why the sea is blue?
Why is the sea blue?
Yeah.
Well, because it reflects the color of the sky.
Alright, next question. If you're running a race, I pass up the person in second place, what place are you in?
Pass the person in second place. Check this thing. Then we're like the first place.
Alright, you can answer some. Alright, thanks to your cooperation. Alright, so me have about 5 questions I focus on that, right?
Yeah.
Why do you think the sea is blue?
Because it's our water make it blue.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Alright. You sure that you want to answer? Alright. You're in a race you're running up a race, and you pass out the person in second place. Which place are you in now?
First.
Alright. If the world ends tomorrow, why first do you want to do?
Buy one week of food.
You know what? Nothing special?
And feed the homeless, yeah?
Oh, yeah, you have good intention, so. Alright, thanks to your cooperation, okay?
Why is the sea blue?
Because it reflects the sky.
Because it reflects the sky? That you say? What you say that? Yeah. Okay. If you're running a race, you pass up a guy in second place. What place are you in now?
First. No, like second.
That you stick with?
Yeah, because you're in a third place.
No, listen again. If you're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place, what place are you in?
Second.
You pass up the guy.
Pass up.
The guy in second place. What place are you in?
Second, brother.
You're not in second.
Can you come from being the man in a
You never
second
come from behind the
place?
man. You never come from behind. Listen to my question again. If you're running a race,
Pass him up.
listen to me. You pass him up. If you're running a race, you pass up. Pass up. Like you pass up more than one person. You pass up the guy in second place. What place are you in? Pass up. First. Simple. Because you already passed up the guy in second place. You go straight up the first place. You know. Okay, next one. Next one. If the world will end today, what would be the first thing you do?
Fuck every girl I never fuck before.
What?
Fuck every girl I did not have fuck.
But they were like ending up, so they might be dead, so.
Call my mother, try call my mother. First thing.
You say what? I say what?
Man, check if she good.
And then say what?
Tell her some love for her.
And then say what?
Some love for her.
And then what?
Ain't that? You're dead. You're dead, dead, brother.
Dead. Alright, John, alright. Once you're just dead. Stay intelligent, man. Okay, ready?
Very intelligent.
Show them the swag. Show them the swag. Trip it. Okay, ready. Okay, ready. Forward now. Three questions.
What?
Why is the sea blue?
What?
Why is the sea blue?
Brother, reflection of the sun, dog.
You sure?
Yeah, virgin.
Who tell you that?
Brother, I don't know.
Alright. If you're running a race and you pass up a guy in second place, what place are you in now?
Expect.
Don't ask me, I ask you.
Second.
If you're running a race and you pass up a guy in second place, what place are you in now?
Second.
You sure you stick with that? You're wrong.
Why wrong?
If you're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place, what place are you in now?
Brother, you pass mine in the first place, dog.
You're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place, dog. Okay.
Brother, why not?
Okay. If the world ends today, and you're one of the lucky person who survived, what would be the first thing would you do?
What?
Well, if the world ends today, and you're one of the lucky person who survived, what would be the first thing would you do?
Brother, kill myself, dog. I roll in.
Do what?
The world in.
Yeah, do what?
I must dead too.
So we are doing a survey, right? We are asking a question. Why the sea is blue? You know why sea blue?
Oh, you say if he didn't
Alright. You know say sea blue, right? See what color blue? Why blue?
Color for the sky getting it.
Alright. You're right so far. Alright. Next question. You're in a race.
Yeah.
Somebody first in front of you. Second place, right?
Yeah.
You come past them. What place you in now?
First place.
At least the maximum is. At least me no say for that. So they got some max question they give me. Go. And a pussy man. You ready? Alright, Dante. Ask us some 3 simple questions. Alright, my boss? Alright. Why the sea blue?
Because the reflection of the sky.
Alright, that's right. Him smart. Am I blue? If I run a race and you pass up the person in second place, which position are you in?
Second.
Answer that again.
You're in a race.
And you pass up the person in second place. Which position?
Second.
Alright, you sure? Alright, your positive boy answer?
Yeah.
Alright. If the world ends today, and you're the one of the luckiest person that must survive, where would I do? FIFA. Good answer. Alright, good answer. Alright. First answer you get was right, but the second,
You pass second place and second day.
no, Dante, you're in first place, my brother. First place.
But somebody not in front of the person.
We never tell how much people in the race in Dante. But that's ask
But
if
only would be second. If I,
Yo, ready? Yo, I'll ask you 2 simple questions, alright, my boss? Yo, number 1 question is, why the sea?
Huh?
Why the sea is blue?
God made it blue.
Alright, my boss. Alright, you sure you want to stick with the answer there?
Yes.
Alright,
The
second.
sea is not blue, it reflects from the sky.
Alright, your friend's smart. Second question, alright, if I run a race and you pass out the person in second place, which position are you in?
Second.
Second, you say? Second, you say?
Of course, God.
I ask you the question again. You run a race and you pass out the person in second place. What you in a second? Answer.
In our first place.
Yes, little youth. Finally. Thank you for your time, Steve. But the first answer was stupid. And I God make the sea blue here. But thank you.
What?
You want to answer them right now.
Isn't it?
Why is the sea blue?
Yeah, see, come on, no?
Why is the sea blue?
Because of the sky?
Okay. If you're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place, what place are you in?
Second.
If you're running a race and you pass up the guy in second place, what place are you in now?
Second.
That you have to stick with.
Yeah.
That you have to say?
You
That you
pass the person
stick with?
in a second place. Second. You're going in a second place.
You're running a race and you passed up the guy in second place. What place are you?
Oh,
Say it in the first.
First place.
Because I go past.
never hear the pass up.
If the world end, if the world end and you're one of the lucky survivors, what would be the first thing would you do? If the world end and you're one of the lucky survivors.
You can't go do nothing because the world end.
Yeah, but you're one of the lucky survivors. That means everything mash up. What would you do? You must have something you always did want to do, but roll off top you. And that?
Not even with a planning to live one.
Come now, you must have something you want to do.
No, I don't have none.
Never heard the word face.
If it was me, I would have robbed a bank. All the money would make no sense when I robbed the bank.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, time
No,
up
wait,
anyway.
after that.